With the threat of COVID-19 impacting our community, the city of Fayetteville has taken many steps to help stop the spread of the novel coronavirus. All changes are in effect until further notice. More details on the city's response can be found on the city's website, www.fayetteville.nc.gov/COVID-19. A public safety curfew for the city of Fayetteville is in effect. Curfew hours are from 9 in the evening to 6 the following morning for everyone within Fayetteville city limits. During the curfew, people are not allowed to travel on public streets, alleys, or roadways, or on public property during curfew hours. In addition, public and private gatherings of any number of people happening outside a home in Fayetteville are prohibited. The public or private gathering prohibition is not intended to prevent a single family from being together. There are exceptions listed for leaving residences during the curfew, such as for healthcare and public health operations, human service operations, essential infrastructure operations, essential government operations, and essential business operations. Full details are available in the State of Emergency Order Second Amendment, which can be found at fayetteville.nc.gov/COVID-19. The curfew will be in effect for as long as Governor Roy Cooper's stay-at-home order, which is currently in effect through April 29, 2020. The city's solid waste division is staggering work schedules to help protect solid waste employees by practicing social distancing guidelines and mitigate the spread of the coronavirus. Garbage collection will begin early in the morning at 6, followed by bulky item collection at 7 and yard waste at 8 a.m. We recommend customers put out garbage, yard waste, and bulky items the night before their normal pickup day. The schedule will be in effect until further notice. To help protect passengers and drivers, the Fayetteville Area System of Transit has suspended collection of fares and the sale of bus passes for both fixed route and paratransit services. Both services are operating on a modified schedule with all routes ending at 7 p.m. The Fast Transit Center will also close at 7 p.m. to the public, and access will be limited to the Russell Street entrance. All customers are asked to use the rear door when boarding a bus unless the use of a ramp or lift is needed, which are located at the front of the bus. Social distancing reminders are posted on the buses, and the seats at the transit center are marked to encourage social distancing. For the time being, recreation centers, playgrounds, and indoor facilities are closed to the public. All trails and outdoor parks are open to the public outside of curfew hours, but people should practice proper social distancing by staying more than 6 feet away from someone else. The public is asked to avoid social gatherings in groups of more than 10 people. While recreation centers are closed, parks and recreation staff are busy helping their community. Staff have begun recording virtual tours and educational videos for adults and children alike. Links to watch the videos, along with other content such as coloring books for children, are available on the city's website, www.fayetteville.nc.gov/education. Parks and Recreation staff are also helping out by delivering Meals on Wheels for senior citizens unable to leave their homes. They're serving nutritional meals daily to 70 participants in collaboration with the Council of Older Adults. City Hall is closed to the public, and access to most city services has moved to the internet and over the telephone. City departments have identified which city employees can work from home and provided equipment for them to work remotely. In the meantime, all boards and commission meetings have been temporarily suspended. Development Services has begun a live remote inspection and code enforcement program to perform several forms of inspections remotely. This inspection option is voluntary and removes unintended exposure to a virus by using smartphone technology to perform code compliance inspections. Contractors or homeowners simply coordinate with the inspector when requesting inspections. More details regarding zoning, planning, code enforcement, and inspections can be found in the Development Services Department section of the city's website at fayetteville.nc.gov/COVID-19. If necessary, residents can leave essential documents in a drop box at the front of City Hall. During this time, yard sale permits will not be issued to limit the spread of coronavirus. Crews with the facilities teams have been conducting more thorough cleanings of public spaces. Building maintenance teams have been steadily making improvements citywide, such as installing hands-free faucets. The Fayetteville City Council went virtual for the work session on April 6. Instead of meeting in City Hall, the meeting was held on a webinar with the council members viewing presentations from staff and subject matter experts conducting discussions on the various agenda items. The platform also allows for residents to view the meeting remotely. Following the meeting, the video of the work session was uploaded to the city's YouTube page. You can find the city's YouTube page by searching on YouTube for City of Fayetteville, NC. Teachers in Fayetteville are helping public safety by using 3D printers to build filter masks. Brian Thompson is a science teacher at Terry Sanford High School and got the idea for using the printers to help first responders while students are not in the classrooms. The Fayetteville Police Department is providing the materials for the 30 printers to print around 60 to 70 masks a day. The printers will print for over 12 hours a day while the teachers come in over 3 shifts to clean up and assemble the masks once they come off the printer.